Sanvi Magar.
And I am Kavya Gaikwad.
And we are really proud of our Indian Army.
And such honored to talk about our Sainik MAHAUDYOG.
Soldiers, one of the greatest assets of any country. They are the guardian of the nation and protects its citizens. And moreover, they are very selfless who put their interest of the country above their personal interest. They are supposed to fulfill challenging duties and possess exceptional qualities to become a great soldier. However, their life is very tough. Nonetheless, they always fulfill their duties despite of the hardship.
A country sleeps peacefully as the soldier performs his duties. The first and foremost duty of a soldier is to serve the country without any selfish motive. A person usually joins defense out of love for his motherland and to protect it. Even though they know they will have to face numerous problems, they still do so for their country. In addition to guarding the border, they are also always there in case of emergencies. They know how to handle every situation carefully, whether it is a natural calamity or a terrorist attack. The life of an ordinary soldier after retirement is a mixed bag. Many of them go on to join a second government job in State Department or police. They then get entitled to second pension. Many of them join DSC and serve for many years, retiring again at 57 years of age. This is a good opinion as most of them enjoy doing this job as it is much less rigorous than regular army.
Many get placed by the army placement route into corporate sector. This is not well paying and I see many of them are doing job much below their capabilities. The best, however, are those who start small business enterprises on their own or get license or agencies like Mother Dairy Booth or gas stations. They do very well and make
Starting a business after retirement is a great job. Many of us soldiers together open different types of businesses which further are known all over the world. Military experience teaches organization, resourcefulness, persistence, and the ability to take strategic risks. Skills that also distinguish business owners.
One of them is our Sainik MAHAUDYOG. This firm is run by all ex-servicemen of Param youth and are also going to be benefited by this. This business will provide all good quality products and services in food sector and agriculture sector as well. In this, various types of products like high quality pickle, spices and dry fruits etc. are included. It is really good initiative and all people who are interested in this business will be benefited, and many of the ex-servicemen's family members, especially women's, will get job in this firm.
The initiative of this firm is same like the Make in India which has been launched by Narendra Modi ji. Make in India is an initiative by the government of India to encourage companies to manufacture in India and incentivize dedicated investments into manufacturing. On the other hand, Narendra Modi ji has also made Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which translates is the vision of Prime Minister making India a bigger and a more important part of the global economy. By this, other people can benefit from learning about this. Jai Hind! And please like, share and subscribe to our channel.